Hello everyone, welcome to the APKPure channel. Today, we will guide you on how to download and install TikTok on your Android devices. TikTok is a mobile app for short-form videos that offers a personalized video feed based on user preferences. Users can explore a variety of video genres, create their own videos using free music clips and filters, and engage with a global community of creators. It is effortless to download and install TikTok on your mobile device through APKPure. So let's get started. Step 1. Open the APKPure website. Firstly, open Google Chrome. Go to the Search tab, then tap the search bar and type in APKPure to enter APKPure's official website. Step 2. Search for TikTok. Next, tap on the search bar and type in TikTok. As you start typing, you'll see a list of suggested apps. Step 3. Download TikTok. On the download page, you will see a green Download APK button. Click on it to start the download process. The app will now start downloading and installing on your device, which may take a few moments. Step 4. Install TikTok. Once the APK file is downloaded, tap Install, then tap on the Open button to start playing TikTok. Leave a comment below if you want more updates about TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more engaging updates. Happy browsing!